How to fix WhatsApp Business Media not sending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp Business Media not sending on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just click WhatsApp Business and then go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions. Check this one here, storage and camera and microphone, all of those, and then just click on it and click allow, and then allow all of those here, and then click forward stop. Now just go, if that doesn't fix your problem, go back to storage. Now click clean up. Now just clean anything you want here, just clean some space and restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.